Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS7550. I'm going to show you how to copy document with this printer. Open the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. So this is A4, and make sure the document starts from the top left. You will see arrow on the top left. Close the cover. Then go to the control panel, use up and down to select copy, then select OK. Then it will show you menu. So select OK to the menu. It will show you the number of copies. If you select number of copies, it give you option for you to select the number, so you can print up to 99. Once you select the number, then you select OK. Then scroll down to paper. It will show you A4 plain. Then you select OK. If you want to change the paper, then you select OK. It will show you for you to change the paper. Then you select OK. It will show you cascade A4 plain paper. Then you select OK. Then scroll down to standard copy. Then you select OK. It will show you ID card copy, borderless copy, or frame erase copy. So what we are doing is standard copy. Then you select OK. Select menu again. Then scroll down to others. Select others, select OK to others. It show you 1 to 2 sided, or no layout, or intensity, or same as original. So select 1 sided, then scroll down to select 2 sided. Do you want to make advanced settings such as orientation? Then you select yes. It will show you orientation for you to select portrait or landscape. Portrait is selected. Binding long or binding short, binding long. Then scroll down, it will show you layout. Scroll down again, intensity, same as original. Quality, if you want to select standard, select on the quality. It will show you high, quality, high, standard, and draft. So it's currently on standard. So if you want it to be in high, then you scroll to high to select high. So it's currently on standard. Then you scroll down, do not collapse, same as original. Then you go back. Then the next is for you to select this button to copy the document in black, or select this button to copy the document in color. So it will show you scanning original. And we're going to copy this document two-sided. Page 2 of the original will be scanned. Please confirm. So open the cover. Turn the document the other way around. Close the cover. Then select scan. This is the document we copied, two-sided in color. Now I want to show you how to copy with ADF. So take the document, remove it from the glass scanner, then put the document you want to copy on the ADF. Make sure the part you want to copy face up. So this is A4 paper. Then select copy. Go to the menu. Now I want us to copy this. We still want to copy it two-sided. So select number of copies. Select OK to confirm the copies. Scroll down to others. Select OK. I still want to copy this two-sided. Select OK to two-sided. Select OK. Advanced settings, select yes. Select portrait, select OK. Select OK. Then go back. Then you decide if you want to copy this in color or black and white. I want us to copy this in black and white. And this button, if you are copying the job, change your mind, then you press this button to cancel it. So I want us to copy this document black and white. So select black button once. So this is the document we copied in black and white, and this is the original one. So these are ways to copy documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.